Today, I'll show you how to create a split screen opening effect in CapCut PC to add a stylish cinematic opening to your videos. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Now, head over to the effects panel and search for split screen opening. Once you find it, drag and drop it onto your clip. Instantly, you'll see your video smoothly split apart, creating a dynamic opening transition. To customize the effect, open the right side editing panel where you'll find these sliders. Blur adds a soft blur to the edges of the split. Size adjusts how wide the split expands. Speed controls how quickly the effect plays. Play around with these settings to get the perfect look for your project. And that's it. You've successfully added the split screen opening effect in CapCut PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick CapCut PC editing tips.